Sarah, and I was just sent this vacuum seal machine. Now this can do many different kinds of vacuum. Whether you want to put it in a canister and do it, or you have it in a bag, you can actually use all of that, or you can even use the sealing machine by using your own bags that you make the size for. So with this nice handle here, you easily lift it up. Right here, you've got your 10-inch, and they provide an 8-inch bag, and you can easily make your own sizes just by simply lifting this up. You pull out whatever size that you want to have, and you need to estimate around 2 inches that you need for this sealing area. So if I do that right here, we're going to close that back down. Then we just simply close it up, and then I hit seal. Now what that's going to do is just seal the bag and get it ready to be able to use for my trail mix that I'm going to use here. So now that seal is starting to go, and it has a nice countdown on there to be able to know how much time is left for that seal to be made. It says okay when it's done. You just lift up the handle. You've got your seal there, and this has a built-in cutter. So I can just easily cut this, and now I have myself a nice little bag that I can easily use if I want to make up little individual servings of, trail mix to send into school or whatever you're doing, and keep them in there. You stick that in there, you've got your food in here. Now on this side, you actually have little handles that you can put in there to hold your bag down, and that way it doesn't move on you. So that is a nice little addition. And they do provide you with extra seals. So you've got seals here and here. So they do give you some extras in case you ever need those. But we're gonna stick this down, lock it in place. And then with our food, we do have the options of doing a dry with high temp, moist, or a wet. There's your canister or your pulse. So if you needed something like you just wanted to let so much air out, like if you had a piece of bread and you didn't want to just completely crush it, you can easily do that. I'm gonna go ahead and just do dry and then start. And now look at him go. So super quick. All I had to do was just select which kind I wanted and hit start, and it does the rest of the work for me. So it's fantastic. That just makes your bag, keeps everything nice and sealed. Super easy to do. And here in a couple seconds, we're gonna pull it out, say okay, lift it up, and I have myself a nice sealed bag. Keeps everything nice and fresh, whether you're doing fruits, vegetables, even meals that you have to preserve into the freezer. This will help keep it fresh longer. It's a nice storage area. I love how you have these handles. It'd be great for anyone's kitchen.